Okay, right apa tiri kubisa ka pamusoro tabisa screw pazasi tiri kubisa screw. Mascrews matatu iri rinenge rine cover yatatobisa kudhara nescrew drive iri flat screwdriver. Tarongedza mascrews in order. Right, the third one, the final one repakati. After tabisa rekumusoro ndo 3 mascrews akabata cover yemalights. I Honda Stepwagon. Asi zvinongofanana mabhisi racho nekubisa malights epa CRV, HRV, CRV. Saka panapa tiri kuitira kuti screw isadonhere pasi. Could use the screwdriver but inokwanisa kuwira pasi yobva yashaika. Toda chishoku chiravo distract pane obstruction bija right. Final toriisa pakati paleya mascrews edu in order. Anditi rekumusoro, repakati, rekumasure, cover yepasi pasi inozoendawo pasi. Then kana tapedza kudari ratosununguka, cover iyi yatodzikinuka, changosara kuipusha kuti ibude. Nditi nadai toipusha kuleft pijana yabuda. There it is. Saka tine malights panapa pamusoro iri light re indicator, turning light anditi ne flash hazard light. Iri pakati I brake light plus rear lights ekuonesa red eye. Iri pakati iri reverse light, brake light plus inonzi tail lights. Reverse light, then ripasi futi brake light plus tail light. Saka in this instance brake light brake lights esari 2 ari kungobaka kana wakaisa as tail lights, but pakuisa mabrake haasi kubaka, so tatenga mabulb manyowani because pane 2 filaments. So tatenga mabulb manyowani atoda kufitira so that we can solve that problem. Kana wakutarisa pataburitsa pane 1 pin E, then 2 yewhite, then 3 padzinoenda kana padzabva 1 2 3. Saka kana wakudzorera ndopa uri kutaimira kudzorera ipapa. Alright. Wane pekurizeveresa kuti risadonha, otherwise rinodhonza tambo. Then you can replace the lights. Tinowanzoda kubata nechimwe chinhu chicloth kuitira kuti risasare mafingerprints. Zvinge zviri best although hazvina hazvo basa. Before we even start, okay, no 2 mafilaments inside right. Varikuoneka kutended 2 filaments dziri right. Statistics akanyorwa apa W21 stroke 5 watts. So apa 12 volts 21 stroke 5 watts. Saka ndo statistics akanyorwa elight ndo zviripo palight. Alright, saka takuita zvekubisa light racho. Saka unopresa mukati wotena to your anti-clockwise woburitsa. Ukaona uchiona kuti pane shape iri mukati yakaita triangle, almost a triangle inopinda apa, ukapfekera wotena pane ichi futi ichi ichi kaslot aka kanofanira kugara pazasi apa kuti raloka. Now takuita panapa iri takutoribisa saka hatichatseta kuita se you just pull it out. Tarisa panapa pana nditi pane one element chete the other one yakatsemuka, so we can verify kuti saka zveshuwa chakafa ibulb nokuti unogona kuchinja bulb iri fuse, but chaita kuti tichinja bulb chaona kuti fuse i1 pane zvinhu zvakawanda. What I have seen, bulb iri harina kumusoro harina kuzasi, you just fit it, harina kumusoro harina kuzasi, unongori try kana rakwana. Okay, so you're right, we are not going to put it in tisati tari tester anditi, but unongoribata wedu kuti ringoita, or perhaps we can still fit it anditi, toongozo tester since tinenge takavhura ichi, we can still check it out. Totena clockwise chichogara, tena kwacho hakuna kunyanya kuoma, it's very simple anditi. Then toita the other one anti-clockwise a little bit, just a little bit. Barabuda iri rinenge ranga richiri right. Baba filament, tiona kuti filament iri kuoneka rimbodzikisa light to ndepapa yakabreka. I can't see where it is broken, but it's not giving us brake light. Perhaps nepamwe payakatsemuka patisiri kuona, pakadimbuka wire or something patisiri kuona. Let's take it out and let's bring in the new one and see what will happen. And we hope that by the end of the day, same process, tapushira bulb. Chatangoita kubata nejira kuti ma fingerprints asasariri. Because sometimes my fingerprints anoita kuti paite concentration ye energy pa same position. Kuti bata toita se. Toita futi zviya. Izvo hazvinyanya kunetsa because you can do it murima, because ine shape iri definite. Click kawe pa position. So now we have it. Now chatakuda kuita kutesta manje. Light ratoita tasara kutesta, and then we fit it back in position. And it is better to test usati wadzorera ichi. And it saka panapa takukonda test. Panapa chasara iwe chasara uchiona test anditi. Aita kuribata rakadai kandaisa mabrake light wotaura kuti aita iri.
Aita kumusoro nepasi aita futi ku right ari right ku right futi.
Let's try my tail lights out.
Yeah, then my tail lights are right foot.
Right, left
Yes.
So the job is complete. So that we can now try to refit. Apa pane buri, but it's nothing. Arina, it's just a breather hole. Arina, apana pane position inofita ipapa. You can see that. Apana pane chinoenda apa. Ingori buri rekungobvumidza mhepo kuti ingofamba. So what we do also, since tangovhura tongo duster, ungasiye pakaita tsvina yowavhura. Sorry, we'll just clean it up a little bit, okay, before we refit. As much as possible. As much as we can. Alright. And now we want to align these three. Mapinza 1, 2, and 3. Anofana kualign nema holes up 1, 2, and 3. So imbaisa ese in view. SR3. 1, 2, 3. You align with 1, 2 and 3. Then it will fit properly. And we will find that what we need also to do is to clear this strut. Indeed. So we just put it in there. Timing. And now we are using Canava powder. Okay. Here. There. Normally. Okay. There you are. Fit. So it is now fitted. What remains, kuzorera my screws. Number 1, right at the top. Okay. Okay. There we are. This is a Phillips screwdriver. We're not gonna use a ratchet. Perhaps 8mm. I haven't used the ratchet on it. I've only used number 2 Phillips. And you tighten and make sure you don't grunch the screws by turning it too hard. Just make sure it is tight enough. You don't try to keep turning it. Then you take the bottom one so that it can tighten fully. Again, our Phillips screwdriver, we hold it sakanaka. Of course, this is an open area, saka. The danger of losing the bolts or screws is very limited. It's very minimal. Okay, now you turn it to make sure it is strong. Then you take your cover. This is the cover. Okay, if you look at it, there's a slot on this left side here. This is where this small extension will go, and then the other clips will just clip in. This one is a broken clip on one side, so I chabata sakanaka, but it has been held by screw. And if it is missing, there's no problem, but otherwise, if it is there, this is how you do it, and then you force it down. So that quite a click inside. Then lastly, so we just want to make sure we have completed everything. We have tested the lamps. We are satisfied they are working well. Now we've refitted everything. And this is a job which doesn't take a long time, although we have taken a bit of time on it. This is my second time to do this job, and now it is much easier. First time it took me quite a long. I was afraid to turn this to the left. The manual says when you have undone these 3 screws, then you turn the cover to the left, so you mustn't be too scared to do that. You can apply a bit of more force and then it just comes out as you saw me doing it on the video. So that's it, fitted, satisfactory. Okay.